Imagine this. You're 45 years old, sipping coffee on your balcony, and you don't have to go to work because your investments are paying the bills. The real question is, what got you there? Was it the stock market's thrilling highs and lows? Or was it the steady climb of real estate? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which path could bring you closer to financial freedom, and maybe even both. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. Are you playing offense or defense with your money? Because making the wrong investment move could cost you years of financial progress, and nobody's got time for that, right? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of real estate and stocks, but not in a boring, textbook way. We're talking real life strategies for building wealth. So whether you're eyeing your first investment or wondering where to park your hard earned cash, this video is for you. Point 1. The excitement of real estate. Let's start with real estate. It's tangible, predictable, and let's be honest, who doesn't love the idea of owning property? Real estate gives you control. You can touch it, improve it, rent it out, and leverage it like a pro. Plus, the tax benefits? Chef's kiss. But here's the kicker. Real estate isn't all sunshine and skyscrapers. It's expensive, time-consuming, and oh yeah, there's that little thing called a housing market crash. Remember 2008? Yeah, nobody wants to relive that. So, is real estate truly worth the hustle? By the way, if you think being a landlord is just collecting checks and sipping mojitos, wait until you've had to fix a leaky toilet at 2 a.m. Not so glamorous anymore, huh? Point 2. The thrill of the stock market. Now, let's talk stocks, the ultimate roller coaster. Stocks let you invest in companies like Apple, Tesla, or that random tech startup your cousin won't stop talking about. They're liquid, easy to diversify, and historically, the market has averaged a 10% return annually. But here's the scary part. Stocks don't just dip, they plummet. One bad earnings report and boom, your portfolio's down 20%. It's like betting on your favorite sports team, except with your future on the line. So, with the volatility of stocks and the headaches of real estate, is there even a right answer? Hang tight. We're about to connect the dots. Point 3. Comparing risk versus reward. Here's where it gets interesting. Real estate offers stability, but it locks up your cash. Stocks are volatile, but they're flexible and easy to manage. It boils down to two things: your time and your tolerance for risk. For example, if you're in your 20s with a high risk tolerance, stocks could be your ticket to big gains. But if you're looking for stability and passive income, real estate might be calling your name. The question is, are you ready to handle the ups and downs of either one? Quick question. Would you rather lose $10,000 in the market or deal with a tenant who refuses to pay rent for 6 months? Neither? Yeah, thought so. Point 4. The hybrid strategy. But what if I told you, you don't have to choose? That's right. You can have your cake and eat it too. A hybrid strategy allows you to invest in both stocks and real estate, balancing risk and reward. Picture this. Your stock portfolio is growing steadily, while your rental income covers your bills. It's like building a financial fortress, brick by brick. And the best part? You're not relying on just one stream of income. So, how do you get started with this hybrid strategy? I'll give you a tip before we wrap up. Bringing it together. The bottom line is this. Real estate and stocks are both powerful tools for building wealth, but they serve different purposes. The secret is knowing what works for your lifestyle, your goals, and your financial situation. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about making money, it's about creating freedom. And here's the harsh truth. Every year you wait to invest is another year you delay your financial dreams. So what's it going to be? Take action now, or keep letting life happen to you? Now that you're fired up about investing, why not learn how to enjoy your wealth too? Check out my next video on how to travel the world on a budget. It's the perfect guide to living the life you deserve while staying financially savvy. Click here to watch it now. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you're always updated when I post more content about personal finance, investing, and building the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Your journey to financial freedom starts here, and I'm excited to be a part of it.